Hey, this is Kaya, the Colorado Property Chick, and of course your preferred lender. Today I'm going to talk about Lone Tree, what it has to offer and why so many people find it a great place to live. If you're looking at moving into Colorado or to the Denver area, this is a must-see. You ready? Let's go. To sum up Lone Tree, I would say great location, upper middle class neighborhoods with a lot of things to do. Let's talk about the location. This drone footage should help to give you some real perspective how the freeways are and where they intersect. The I-25 North goes to the Tech Center and then to Denver. The I-25 South heads to Castle Pines, which has great outlet malls, and Colorado Springs. 470 is a loop. The great thing about 470, it takes you straight to the airport and you do not have to go through any of the Denver traffic, no matter what time of day. This map of the Denver area will help you to understand Lone Tree's location. Lone Tree is to the south, airport is to the east, and the ski mountains are to the west. Let's talk about public transportation. Lone Tree does have access to the bus line and the tram. There are numerous pickup and drop-off locations throughout the area, and the tram has pickups and drop-offs every 15 to 30 minutes, 7 days a week. One of the great things about the location of Lone Tree is that it has Park Meadows Mall. Park Meadows Mall has 185 stores. It has indoor and outdoor shopping, and it is also surrounded by stores probably within a mile radius. Everything is in this area you need. If it's not in the mall, you're going to find it around the mall. There's also a lot of food, fast food, casual dining, and fancy dining. Another great thing about Lone Tree is that it is the home to Sky Ridge Medical Center. This is one of the largest clustering of medical facilities in all of Denver, if not in all of Colorado. It has numerous specialties, various doctors, and there's also a lot of freestanding doctor offices around the hospital complex. The great thing about Lone Tree is it's not a big area, so this facility is pretty much in your backyard. It makes it really easy to drop off or pick up or even to hire an Uber. Another thing that people find appealing to the Lone Tree area is that it's a clean, simple, pre-planned community, safe, nice middle-class areas. Most neighborhoods have walking trails, sidewalks, large green areas, parks. Some of them even have their own basketball courts and tennis courts. Basically, all the neighborhoods are designed for quality of life and outdoor life. I created this map to show where the general boundaries of Lone Tree and its relationship to the freeway system. I've also added in subdivisions. If you would like a copy of this map, the link is in the show descriptions. If you are interested in more detailed information about individual subdivisions, please make sure to subscribe, as I will be doing future episodes on subdivisions located in Lone Tree. Lone Tree is mainly owner-occupied single-family homes. There are townhomes, condos, some patio homes, and a few apartment complexes scattered throughout. Townhomes, patio homes, and condos start around $600 and they go up $750, $800 depending on the size and the amenities. Single family homes start at around $750 and they go up to about $2.5 million. Now you may be thinking, wow, this is an expensive area. It may seem like it is, and it is a nice area, but depending on where you come from, Colorado has extremely low property taxes. We are the third lowest in the nation. The national average for property taxes is 1.07%. Colorado is 0.6%. That's a huge difference. So depending on where you come from, the property taxes alone may make a $200 difference or a $2,000 difference a month in your home payment. So if you have any questions about what your payment would be, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to go over the payments with you. The payment may not be as bad as it seems because of the low property taxes. So the Lone Tree area, most of the homes were built in the 2000 to 2015. Most of them are 2,800 to 7,000 square feet, with the majority of them being 4,500 to 5,500 square feet. They are large homes and they have basements, which adds to the square footage. Also, another benefit to Colorado having low property taxes is that your monthly payment is lower, and also whenever you pay off your home, your property taxes are low. So it makes it easier to live on a fixed income or own multiple homes. Another thing about Lone Tree is it has access to some of the best hiking and biking trails in all of Denver. We also have the Bluffs, which has walking and biking trails, and these trails actually lead to other trails. So you could go out on a couple hour adventure or a day adventure, just depending on your activity level. Some areas in Lone Tree do offer a walkable lifestyle depending on the area you live. If you're near the Bluffs or the hospital, there are, smaller coffee shops, nail salons, hair salons, fitness, just different things that you could walk to. And of course, if you live near the Ridgegate shopping area, there's Target, the Hibachi, fitness, the nails, there's a little bit of everything in the area that you could walk to, including fast foods and restaurants. I can't talk about an area and not discuss the schools. In Lone Tree, there are numerous public schools and some good private schools in the area. There are quite a few options for all age ranges depending on what is important to you. One good thing about Colorado is that it is an open enrollment state. This means the student can attend their assigned neighborhood school or apply to other public schools. It is on a first come, first served basis. Another benefit to the Lone Tree area is there's a lot of things to do. There's the Arts Center. There's numerous trails for hiking, biking, and even horseback riding. Public parks, pools, community centers, golf course, fitness, pickleball courts, tennis courts, movies, bowlings, breweries, you name it, it's here. Lone Tree does have some bars and a few breweries. There's not a lot of nightlife though. But the good thing is, if you want to go out and hang out with your buddies and, go out and stay out late and drink, you can always take the tram, go into downtown, and catch it back home and not worry about having to drink and drive. Overall, the location of Lone Tree, the area amenities, and the quality of life that it allows brings people to this area and causes people to love it. I hope you all found this information useful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to get you the answers. If I don't know them, I'll find them. Please remember, I'm licensed in Texas, Tennessee, and Colorado. Please subscribe, like. I hope to see you soon. Thanks.